Welcome back to Programmer YouTube channel. In this session, we are going to learn how to add parameter value to the list dynamically. So this is a continuation of previous video where we have created one parameter. We have used where clause in the data set, and we have created a single value parameter. So let me switch back to Visual Studio. Okay, so this is what we have created in the last session, where we have our data set, where in which we have the where condition made country is equal to our parameter. Okay, so now if we check, we have to select the values from here. Okay, and we have to click on view report. So according to this condition, we should see the data. So but now here what we have done, we have manually given the values here. Okay, these are the specify values, that means we have manually given these values. But now in this video I will try to explain you how to put this value dynamically, okay, from the database. So let me delete these values first. So I have deleted. Okay, so let me select now what we want to do, we want to bring these values from the fields. Okay, so for that I'll create one more data source, data set. Okay, here we can give select. Now what we want here, we want countries, distinct country. Okay, distinct made country from product. Okay, let's check the fields. So now we are we are bringing the distinct countries in the data set, so that we can use that in this list. Okay, so how we are going to do this? So now we have to go to the parameter property. Under that, in available, we have to select get values from a query under the available values. So now we have created our new data set. We have to select that. Okay, values field, made country, and label fields also made country. So now let me tell you the difference between value field and label field. So label fields, okay, will be only appear on the report. Okay, but the actual fields which are going to pass to our query, that will be our actual fields. So value fields, that means the actual value which we are going to pass. And label fields, that is just for the presentation purpose. Okay, so let me click on okay. Now let's review the report. Okay, so now this is the label value here. These are the label values. But okay, so let me select India. So now see, we have the values automatically. So in future, if we have another country, that is for Pakistan, so that will automatically appear in this list. Okay, so let's click on India. Let's review the report. Okay, now we have our report ready. Okay, so this is all about this video. In upcoming session we are going to cover some more stuff. So thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.